Dan with 3DL Repair. Right now we're looking at a 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, and unfortunately, as we all know, from time to time accidents do happen. This particular vehicle got into an accident. One of our local body shops that we do a lot of repair work for called us and said, hey, we need the engine out of this thing so we can repair the frame. We said, yeah, that's no problem. We went ahead and took the engine out, sent it back to them so that they could do the collision repair work. They just sent it back to us, and now it's time to put the engine back in and get everything back together for it so it can be up and running, and they can finish the rest of their collision repair work and get it back to their customer. If you're a local area body shop and you're not quite sure who to turn to for repairs like this, where it might take a few weeks in between removal and installation of certain components, feel free to give us a call. We do have a very good method of cataloging everything, where it goes, how it goes back together, so that we can be sure to get the vehicle back together in a timely manner, and we can finish a collision work and get the vehicle back to the customer as quick as possible. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.